Like even when you're getting your even whenever you get your ass kicked on Smash, you still.
I don't play the game as much as I do anymore, to be honest. Because I get bored. There's no one even around to play. Most of the time I've been playing my new fucking Nintendo game. If you did, that'd be great. And guess what? I'd probably beat you in an instance.
I'm just gonna say J-Mod is not alright. He's laughing his butt off.
Anyways.
Someone in the chat said a freezing teapot.
Also, not to mention being
Yeah.
do you think
Oh no! Carson, are you okay?
Sounds like he's in the safe room somewhere back there looking for something.
Oh man. Cody.
Why isn't that working?
Cody, you fart head.
What is that?
Midnight. I think Cody's up.
Oh
But, yeah, take a look.
Look at
And then
look.
how many references
Hold on, let me read what it says here. That's giving me
Cody's up to something.
That's giving me a video idea after a live stream. Dolphin's funniest moments are some wheezing teapots. Come on! Does my wheeze sound like a wheezing teapot to you? Yes, but no!
I think Carson is outraged.
That means
she's elite.
okay.
Nope, he's not.
I think he'll be fine. He just needs he'll come to himself. He needs a little breather, and that's what he needs. Are you good?
I'm sorry guys, I was just watching Team Neighborhood 2. Can you guys say Colorado? I'm a giraffe!